Hi friends! So today we're going to be learning how to draw base 10 blocks to help us add two-digit numbers without regrouping. So why are we going to draw? This is another strategy for visual learners. It helps get the brain flowing and making everything click. Sometimes people need to draw something in order for them to fully understand it, like me. I need to draw something out in order to fully understand it. So let's get started. So we're gonna draw our place value chart. I'm gonna draw a T and an O. So we have our tens in our ones place. And I'll write it just so you know. Tens, ones. All right. So let's start with our first problem. Let's do 33 plus 44. 33 plus 44. So now remember, we're drawing our base 10 blocks instead of using physical ones like last lesson. All right, so if we look at the number 33, how many tens do we have? 3, good job. So now we're gonna draw 3 tens rods. And remember to separate them enough to give them a little space in between, because we don't want them to smash together so that we won't be able to realize how much tens we have. So we need to make sure there's a little bit of separation between them. All right, now how many ones are in the number 3? How many ones? 3, good job. So now we're gonna draw 3 ones. All right, so we have the first number. Let's draw a line under so we don't get confused. So now we're gonna do the number 44. How many tens are in the number 44? 4, good job. So I'm gonna draw 4 tens rods. And I'm gonna give them space. Now, how many ones are in the number 44? How many ones? 4, good job. So now I'm gonna draw 4 ones. Now, all that's left to do is add everything together. So we're gonna add our one side first. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we're gonna put 7 at the bottom. Now, how many tens do we have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So our answer ends up with 7 tens and 7 ones. Does anyone know what number that is? 7 tens and 7 ones. 77. Good job, guys. Now let's do another one. All right. So let's do 52 plus 17. So what's the first thing that we need to do? Yes, we need to look at our tens on 52. How many tens does 52 have? 5, good job. So 1, 2, remember to give it space in between. 3, 4, and 5. So I have my 5 10 rods. How many ones do I need? Yes, I need to draw 2 ones. So let's do 1 and 2. All right. So now let's move on to 17. How many 10s are in the number 17? 1. Good job. So we only have to do 1 10 rod. All right, now how many 1s are in the number 17? 7. Good job. So we're going to draw 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. Now we're going to add them all together. So let's add our one side first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9 ones. Now how many 10s do we have? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 10s. So all together, what is 6 10s and 9 1s? All together, it's going to be 69. Good job, guys. All right, let's do another problem. So remember, we're drawing our 10 rods and we're drawing our ones. All right, our next problem is 23 plus 62. All right, so what's the first thing we have to do again? We're gonna look at our 10s. How many 10 rods do we need to draw in the number 23? How many 10s do we have? 2, good job. So I'm gonna draw 2 10 rods. Now, how many 1s do we have to draw? 3, good job. So I'm gonna draw 1, 2, and 3. Now let's go over to the number 62. How many 10s do we need to draw? How many 10s does 62 have? 6, good job. So I'm going to draw 6 rods. Remember to keep space in between so they don't look smashed together, okay? All right. So now I have 6 10 rods. Now, how many 1s are in the number 62? How many 1s do I need to draw? 2, good job. And then our last step is just adding it together. So how many 1s do we have in total? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. So now let's look at our 10s. How many 10s do we have in all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that leaves us with 8 10s and 5 1s, which is 85. Good job. Now I'm going to go over 3 problems from the homework. And then the rest you will do on your own. If you have any questions, remember we have a math meet every day except Wednesday at 12:30. All right, so our first question from the homework is going to be 21 plus 24. All right, so the first thing we need to look at is how many tens are in 21? How many tens rods do we need to draw? Right, 2. So I'm drawing 2. Now, how many ones are in 21? How many ones do we need to draw? 1, good job. Now we're going to look at the number 24. How many tens are in the number 24? 2, so we're going to draw 2 10 rods. And then how many ones are in the number 24? 4, excellent job. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, now our last step, and we're gonna look at our drawings. How many ones did we draw in total on the ones? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now how many tens did we draw? How many tens do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 tens and 5 ones, which makes 45. Good job. So let's do another one. I am so proud of you guys. Thank you for paying attention and working so hard. All right. 68 plus 11 is our next one. 68 plus 11. How many tens do we have in the number 68? What's in our tens place? 6, good job. So I'm going to draw 6 10 rods. 3, 4, 5, 6. So now I have 6 10 rods. How many ones do I have in 68? How many ones are there? 8, good job. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to look over to our second number, 11. How many tens are in the number 11? 1. Good job. So we're going to draw 1 10 rod. And how many ones are in the number 11? 1. Good job. Now we're going to count all of our ones together. So let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 ones. Now let's count our tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 tens and 9 ones, which gives us 79. Good job. Remember when you're drawing to keep spaces in between each rod and one, just so that it doesn't look smushed together and it's easier for you to count. All right, let's go over one more. I'm gonna do 55 plus 31. So remember what we're gonna do first. We're gonna look at our 10 spot. How many tens do we have in the number 55? 5, good job. So we're gonna draw 5 10 rods. How many ones do we have? 5, so we're gonna draw 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, Now we're going to move on to number 31. So, how many tens are in the number 31? 3. Good job. And do 1, 2, and 3. Now, how many ones are in number 31? 1. Good job. All right. Now we're going to add all of our ones together. So let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 ones. Now we're going to add all our tens together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 tens and 6 ones, which gives us 86. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it was helpful. If you have any questions, remember we have a math meet every day except Wednesday at 12:30 that we can help you with. Have a great day.